I may not look like myself right now, but I am indeed Ninjabeam, and this is my first episode that isn't a highlight on the server. We are on Nightcraft, the Guys Night server, with Man, that is really... Okay, sorry about that. I was getting all up in your face. Didn't mean to get personal like that. Alright, so, you saw some highlights of my first time, but I figured, if I start with nothing, that could be good, but I'd like to start with like a little bit of something before we get started. So, I've got some diamonds, yeah, and a carrot and a potato. I got the clutch, like ace, on a zombie, a couple of zombies, and excited about that. So, let's pop these. I actually left some diamonds down below. Shh, don't tell anyone. And I'm going to... Oh, can I pick you up? Yeah, gonna pick you up. I don't actually need you. What is that? What is this block? What is it? Block of redstone. I made a block of redstone? I don't remember doing that. Alright. Anywho. That you want. Let's go. Ooh, such a hard decision. See, I'm building a floating fortress, or like a town, floating island, in the sky, and so I'm bringing a bunch of cobblestone back. Otherwise, yeah, I would just chuck it. But kind of interested in having it. Mushrooms to polished granite. We were testing that out. Looks kind of cool. It's like, yeah, you'll see that later. I don't really care about that. So, so there's that. Alright. Let's do this. Let's get out of here. I kind of went down a weird tunnel and then started mining, which is probably a bad idea. Yeah, because now I'm going to have to find me way out. Find me own way out. Alrighty then. Crunch, crunch. So, anyway, this is the new server. It's looking effortless as a pink, and I'm really excited for it. It's a static thing. You don't have to like wait for people, and it's so good. Trust me, just so good. Oh no, really? Run out? Did I run out? I think I did. So sad. Alright, I'll sacrifice one. We can always come back for more. We can always come back for more. Man, it's dark. I'm sorry about that. But I'm kind of interested in this iron. Just real quick, don't hurt me. Okay. Okay, we're going out. We're going out. Okay, stop looking. Stop looking. I'm gonna get distracted. I do that. I get distracted very easily. Alright, I think I'm going the right way. I don't know. This looks right. I guess it was lit up, so... Oh, yeah, actually this is right, because this is like the entry hall. So then... this way. Yep. Yep, I remember going through a one-way stream of water. Like that. There were a couple of, zombies blocking me path, but I took care of them. Actually, does not look right, but that is definitely lighting from outside. Faux show. Saw. So let's just do that real quick. Yep, that is definitely outside. Alright. Checking it out, checking it out. So yeah, I'm gonna build a floating island place. It's gonna be sweet. This is actually, the way I got in there is actually a whole completely different way, because there was some kind of a cool like underground, like hidden, what am I trying to say? Ravine? That's the word. That is a word. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is kind of cool. Cool little forest area. This does not look familiar at all. Whoa, that is a thick tree. Dude, where you get that from? Your mom's side? Oh, I'm really liking this spawn. I like this world. It is on good terms with me. Less than 3. Less than 3.